Hi, I'm Tada of Madatsukairude. Madatsukairude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. This is the final video of the Volkswagen Baja back transmission overhaul. Finally, I completed the job and I just busted the oil leak from the axle bearing seal, and now everything is up running. So this is how it went. Okay, I'm gonna open this guy and see what's wrong with this. My gut feeling is that I put the 2 sheets of the seal, so that might be the reason. So this side I found the O-ring. This inner O-ring is kind of okay, it's squished, but this guy is a little bit damaged, and so the seal I didn't really properly close this flange, so it's a little bit tricky. I think I have to buy a new set of seal and redo the process. And the other side, so this side was leaking more, and I noticed that this O-ring, larger, the outside O-ring was damaged. That's why it was leaking badly. So the same thing, I have to buy a new set of seal gaskets and redo the closing of this flange. So I got the new seal kit. This is from the other manufacturer, but again this kit has the 2 of the paper gasket, but so I did some research on this seal, and there are a few YouTube videos talking about the oil leak of this part, and I made a mistake. One mistake, the biggest mistake, was I put this O-ring first and then put this paper one after, and that is wrong. I think the paper should go first and then O-ring, and put this guy in, and that is the first mistake, I think the biggest one. And also there's some videos talks about putting the grease around the O-ring and also on the seal. So those are what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put the grease on all parts and put it in the right order. And also I didn't know that this is the drain hole, so I cleaned a little bit, and this guy goes into here, and I think when the oil leaks out here, this is gonna keep the oil outside of this drum. That's my understanding. But anyways, I'm gonna put the grease and try to put back all together. So this is the new O-ring. Actually, this O-ring from new kit is slightly larger than the thickness, so I like it better. Put the grease, this guy in. Okay. Right. put the grease on this. Okay. I put this guy this way, and then all I have to do is put the paper. This is tricky, I think. Oh. This guy's the important thing. I think both last time both sides of this O-ring failed, and this guy tend to come off easily. And now holes are aligned. O-ring is on. Okay, I hope the seal are all in place in the right way, and all I have to do is just tighten this screws. Okay, I tightened at 36 foot-pound, and I'm gonna work on the other side, and then I'm gonna fill the transmission oil and see how the seal is going. Okay, 14 foot-pound. So now the transmission oil is in, and so far I just put the oil right now though. So far I think oil is not leaking out on the left, and on the right side I think it's fine right now. I'm gonna wait for a while. So I turned on the motor, and right now it's a top gear, so the axle is spinning, but I don't see any oil leak. That's good. Nothing is leaking. This side, I think nothing is leaking, so that's good. I'm gonna wait for a while and then start to put this the drum and put the tire, and then the buggy gonna be ready to go. Okay, I waited for a while and I don't see any oil leak coming, so that's good. So I'm gonna put back the this guy. Alright, then I'm gonna put this guy. And I'm gonna work on the other side also. Okay, I use this guy, finger tightened, and then put for the parking brake. Now I'm gonna use this tool. It's gonna go like this. So this tool use the level edge, and I'm gonna need a socket for this. So the tightening torque of this main nut is 250, and this guy will give 9 times of the torque. So I need to go. If I go to 30, that's enough. But I really have to align this slot to the hole, so I have to be careful about that. Other than that, just need to. So I once released the parking brake and re-tightened it, so that's why it's been to relieve the stress. Okay, now 25. I'm gonna fix the hole. Maybe already aligned. Okay, now it's 28. We're gonna locate the hole. Ugh. So I went up to 28, and that's enough. And I'm gonna use the new one came with the seal kit. So I'm gonna put this guy here. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this other side. So So this complete the overhaul of the transmission. It was a big project for me, but I'm very glad I completed. And the engine runs fine, and transmission, at least the gear works fine, the axle was spinning fine. So I think the test drive should be fine. So I think I'm gonna stop the video here. And the only concern could be some oil leak, but so far it's not leaking, so I think that's fine. So thank you very much for watching all the series of this transmission. And if you are trying to do that by yourself, I hope that my video helps to understand how to do it. And okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.